Do you want to tell everybody about the room? Do you want to give the tour? Okay, you give the tour. Okay, let's go. Okay, all right. This is our room at Sapphire Falls. Standard 2 queen. It's very, very nice. First of all, we have carpeted floors, which this is the first hotel that we've stayed at here at Universal that's had carpeted floors, so that's really nice, especially if you're in the park all day and you come back and your feet are hurting. There's an outlet right over here on the wall if you need to plug things in. And then also over here between the beds, you have 2 regular outlets and 2 USBs. And you can also charge your phone on this clock radio, which is great. And you've got your regular phone, got some hand sanitizer, notepad and pen if you need to write anything down. Got your storage here, and a little bit of storage underneath. Hello. All right. And then over here, got the TV. Oops. Got your TV, and you've got more storage underneath. Multiple drawers, 4 drawers if you want to unpack. Oop. And then you have your mini fridge over here, which is great. And then we got this for Ernie. They gave us a Loews Loves Pets amenity bag, which is so sweet and so darling. We have a little tag to put on the door to let everybody know that there's a pet inside the room. And we have 2 bowls, and we have a little dog tag, which is so great. It's so kind of them. So yeah, not just for service dogs. This is for all dogs and all pets. Lowe's is pet friendly. At this hotel, the Sapphire Falls is pet friendly. So if you have a dog and it's just a regular dog, regular pet, they are welcome to stay at Sapphire Falls. There is a pet fee, but they are welcome to stay. The previous 2 hotels that we stayed at Ventura and Dockside, are not pet friendly, and you have to be a service animal in order to stay in one of those hotels. And over here, we have a chair if we want to do some sitting. And a lamp, which just went off because Ernie just turned it off as he's checking out all of the things around the room. And then we will have a view of a very pretty garden, which you can't really see because it's kind of dark. There we go. That looks beautiful and will be very nice. There we go. I can block that light. And that's our view out the window. Over here, and we'll take another look. We've got our desk right here if we need to do some work, and you've got a rundown of all of the hotel amenities as well as some doggy bags right there. That's great. Got an ice bucket, more plugs, regular and USB, and some glasses, and a bottle of Fuji water, which is $7.50 if you are in emergency need of hydration and you drink this water. Just so you know, a $7.50 charge will appear on your bill. And over here we have a Keurig coffee maker that is fully stocked with French roast and green tea and decaf coffee and all of the accompaniments that we would need for morning coffee, which is great. And this is going to be awesome. We'll take a look at the bathroom. I love this tile on the floor. It's so pretty. You've got your sink out here. You've got extra towels underneath. That's amazing. And you've got your toiletries over here. Soap, shower cap, and conditioner, and shampoo. And then you've got your tissues and Q-tips, cotton balls, all good things in there. And more plugs, a makeup mirror, here to the bathroom. You've got a very nice shower. And you've got your soap, shampoo and conditioner. And a little seat in case you want to sit down. And a toilet. This is gonna be great. This is gonna be good. Are you taking a shower? I don't think you like showers. If you want to take a shower, why don't we come back out? Let's go play. Hey, let's go play. Okay. All right. You want to go outside? Yeah? Should we go do some fun stuff? Yeah, let's go. Okay. And another thing we want to point out right when you come in, here's your closet. It's very large. Lots of room, hangers, luggage rack. You've got your ironing board. Up here on the shelf, you've got the iron, extra blanket, pillow, and then there is your hair dryer. As well as down here, you have a safe in case you need to store anything of value. It's a very big closet. It'll fit your suitcases, plus backpacks and stuff. Really nice. Hi, buddy. You're just chilling on the pet walk day, sitting in the sunshine. Look at how massive this area is. It is so big. It goes all the way back here. It goes all the way down. Look at that. Huge. So amazing. Sapphire Falls. Well done. Well done. We are very happy here. We like this hotel a lot. Yeah. So here's a little bit better view outside our room now in the daytime. We actually look out onto the service dog relief area, or sorry, here it's the pet relief area, as all dogs are welcome at Sapphire Falls, as this area is huge, as we showed you in the previous clip. It's also very well maintained and beautiful. So this is giving high marks to Sapphire Falls.